Did it stop? Okay, keep going. Keep going. Good job. Keep going. Wait. Maybe the contact. What's happening there? Blowing a lot of shit out. Good job. Okay, go ahead. Shane, you take a look.
I see it from here.
Okay, keep going. I'm gonna go look for oil pressure. Keep going. Wait. Go ahead. Go ahead. We got the driving gear. So good thing that didn't start, because this drive shaft would be doing the funky chicken. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and take this out of gear.